Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening Google Docs and getting into a document right away. Sign in if required. Once done, grant storage permission so files save locally and sync. Tap the plus button to create a new document or pick one from the list to edit. Make sure phone data or Wi-Fi is active for auto-save. I'm showing the fast path: open, permit access, and create. Then we move directly to editing and formatting so you can produce content quickly. Now you'll edit and structure the document. Tap text to place the cursor, then use the toolbar for bold, font size, alignment, and lists. Pinch to zoom for precision. To add media, tap plus and choose image, table, or link. Comments live under the comment icon for quick feedback. Use voice typing for hands-free input and the outline to jump between sections. Make sure to check revision history if you need an earlier version. It keeps your work recoverable. Finish by sharing and exporting your file. Tap Share, enter emails, and choose Viewer, Commenter, or Editor so people get the right access. Once shared, collaborators can edit in real time. To save a copy, use Share and Export and pick PDF or Word. If syncing or saving fails, toggle offline mode in app settings or reconnect Wi-Fi. If problems persist, clear the app cache and sign out then back in. That usually restores normal sync and access quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.